It's Financial Literacy Week, and as an ambassador of the State Bank of Pakistan, I'm here to share a must-read that can truly transform how you think about money. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This timeless classic isn't just for Wall Street pros. It's for anyone who wants to build wealth wisely. Financial literacy begins with knowing the difference between smart investing and risky speculation. Investing versus speculating. Grow your money with a long-term mindset, not quick bets. Value investing. Buy undervalued assets and hold for future gains. Margin of safety. Always invest with a buffer to protect your capital. Mr. Market. The market is emotional, stay rational and focused. Investor types. Know whether you're a defensive or enterprising investor. Long-term vision. Patience, not panic, leads to success. Even Warren Buffett calls this book his investment Bible. Its timeless principles work across all markets, including here in Pakistan. This Financial Literacy Week, take your first step toward financial empowerment. Proud to represent the State Bank of Pakistan in spreading this message. Let's build a financially literate, confident, and stronger Pakistan together.